Right now, I'm going to show you how to apply this quick shine to your hardwood floors to bring back some of that old vibrance, give it a nice shiny look, and then also help protect it. So I'm going to be doing it in this hallway here, down and around the side here. I'm going to show you two different ways to apply it. So if you do have a swivel head mop or brush, that is my preferred method. So I've got two different options here. I'll show you that. If you don't have that, then you can just use some old cloths, terry cloths, or microfibers to apply it. It goes on pretty quick and easy. The first step is to clean the floor. So I've already vacuumed and mopped this floor so there's no hair, dust, dirt, or debris, and we're ready to go ahead and get started applying the quick shine. Let's get into it. First, I'm going to start here with my swivel mop, and I'm going to apply some of this quick shine directly to the mop in question. Then I'm also going to apply it to the floor in an S pattern. So I've got this nice and saturated. Then on the floor, I'm just going to kind of go in an S pattern backwards, and you want to start applying it and spreading it immediately, not giving it time to dry, otherwise you will get spots. So go ahead and do an S pattern here, and then you want to go with the grain of the wood. So we'll go ahead and start here with the grain of the wood. I'm just going to go back and forth, getting a nice even coat. There we go. So I go back and forth, I drag it down a little bit, back and forth, drag it down a little bit, back and forth, and repeat. There we go. And that is it for that section. As you can see, it goes on very quick and easily. As long as you've prepped everything first, it goes on very nicely. So now let me show you how to do it with just some towels. Okay, so you don't have a swivel mop. We're just going to do it with a towel here. Now, you can use some gloves because this does kind of dry on your hands and creates a film. So if you'd like to use some gloves, go ahead. I am going to just get the towel saturated again. And then just like before, I put an S pattern on the floor here. And then again, going with the grain of the wood, you just go back and forth in a swipe, coating your area that you're working. Back and forth. I like to pull down, back and forth. There we go. And that is it for that application. And then you just go over the surface area that you are looking. If you want a higher shine and a thicker coat, once it dries, you can go on with a second coat. I'm going to just do this first coat here and finish down the hallway using my preferred method with the swivel head brush. I'll add a little more to the mop head here, and then again in an S pattern, and go ahead and get to it. I like clean, fluid swipes, back and forth, and that is it. And that is it. Continue as needed until you have completed your area, and that is it. Allow it at least 45 minutes to dry before walking on it. Personally, I give it an hour, and then after that, I will remove my shoes and walk on this until it's had at least 24 hours. Then I will walk on it again with my shoes. So that is it. That is how you use the Quick Shine hardwood floor luster to add a nice finish and restore that old glow that you had on your wood floors.